Hollingsworth is a world-class enterprise with leading-edge technology and is an industry leader in delivering a full range of customized and integrated supply chain solutions since 1991. You can be assured that you're receiving the proper build sequence of high-quality assemblies, sequenced just in time to your manufacturing floor. Hollingsworth utilizes leading-edge technology such as SAP software for warehouse management, assembly, and sequencing, implements lean manufacturing principles including poker yokes and electronic and visual verification that result in outstanding quality products to our customers. The process begins as parts are received from suppliers at our facility and scanned into our SAP inventory system. The parts are identified and labeled with a barcode and warehoused in specific locations conducive to the assembly line. Our inventory system ensures first-in, first-out inventory control and manages engineering change notifications as required by our customers. Our teams of qualified line technicians rely on barcodes and scanning technology throughout the assembly process. At each station, a monitor visually directs the technician to which specific component to pick and is then scanned for verification. As parts travel through several gates of the assembly process, our unique scan verification methods start with scanning the barcode at the initial gate and every gate that follows. The information provided guides our technicians through each step of the assembly and the components that are required. As each step is completed, the part is scanned once again, signaling it's ready to move on. If any defects are identified, the part is removed and replaced. The quality of the part and the assembly is always validated and logged into our system for traceability. The statistical data is then submitted to our customer. If at any time throughout the process an error is detected, an error message instantly appears on the technician's monitor, and the assembly cannot continue until the problem is resolved. The part is scanned once again when the error is corrected, and the monitor will display a message stating, "Nice job," signaling the part is ready to proceed to the next station. Depending on the assembly, many stations utilize our pick-to-light system. If the incorrect sensor is activated when selecting a part, a red light is activated. Our process includes testing for electronic continuity and functionality of all electronic components. The system alerts the technician if the part successfully passes this test and produces a pass label, which is then applied to the part. During the final steps of the assembly process, a technician conducts a complete assembly GP12 type visual inspection to verify the process is completed to the customer's requirements. Once this assembly process is completed and approved, the part is packaged and scanned to its assigned sequenced rack for delivery. Each rack has its own location and color identification that will match your line requirements for unloading. It arrives at your manufacturing assembly line in the correct sequenced order and ready for your assembly line. In addition to assembly and sequencing, Hollingsworth is a leader in the management of offshore material that is repackaged into production dunnage and metered into assembly plants. These parts are shipped on a daily basis to meet production schedules. Hollingsworth, a world-class enterprise with leading-edge technology that is an industry leader in delivering a full range of customized and integrated supply chain solutions since 1991.